Hi guys, today again natural look. So much of repetitive looks, but that's how it is with me because I film it every time I get ready and I'm just getting ready because I have some family visiting who come down from abroad. As you know, by now you guys know I love spending time with family the most and friends who are like family. So I've called them over for high tea, and because it's family, I'm going to just keep it simple. So I'm going to just film this makeup for you because this is the real kind of makeup I actually do all the time. I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to use this moisturizing primer. I cannot avoid these because I have really dry skin. The whole situation will be different if you are someone with oily skin. I'm not going to use concealer, just going in with my powder foundation. I'm going to set my eyebrows. I'm going to just keep it to a simple smudged kohl eye makeup. It's easy and effective. I'm going to be using this Bloom palette by K Beauty, and I'm going to go with the color called Biscuit, and I'm using the PAC 341 brush. Just some on my upper eyelid. You can do this look also for work. Any black kajal will do. And I'm going to fill out my waterline all the way in. Then take a pencil brush or any kind of a smudge brush that is convenient to you and just smudge it out. This also makes your kajal stay. I don't know how it works, but it does. The other eye. See the difference between no smudging and smudging? Make sure you do the smudging right after you use the kohl. You don't want it to dry up so it smudges quickly. Then I'm going to make it a little more smoky. So I'm going to smudge in some brown eyeshadow. Any dark brown eyeshadow is fine, and a pencil brush. And this makes the lower lids look a little more smoky. I like the look, so I kind of do it every time. Go low. Mascara. eye makeup is done. New lip liner to prime my lips. I'm going to use a neutral lipstick, so I'm going to use Glam, which is my favorite lip liner. Using this Maybelline lipstick. I'm going to use a little lip gloss. This one is called Spice. I'm using this blush called Dainty by MAC. It's a nice and light shade. So my makeup is done. I'm going to take a few pictures in daylight and show it to you. You can also do this look for work. Right. Simple and easy.